Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is relation and function, exercise 2.2. Let's start now. So 2.2 from question number 5. So the question is, let A is a set, its elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 elements are. Let R be the relation on A defined by A, B order pair, and A and B belongs to capital A given set. A and B are elements are from A set only. So condition is there, B is exactly divisible by A. That means second element is divisible by first element. So B is exactly divisible by A. This is the condition. And write down the R relation first. So first to write here A set equal to A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So exercise 2.2. From question number 5. So here A set equal to A equal to, here A set A, capital A equal to, elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is A set. Now we have to make relation R, and condition is B is exactly divisible by A. That means second element is divisible by first element. Okay, therefore R equal to capital R relation. So first is 1. So 1, 1 you can take, because 1 divided by 1 it is possible, divisible. Then 1, 1 is okay. So next element is 2. So 1, 2 also possible, because 2 by 1 it's okay. So 1, 2 we can take 1, 3 also, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So 1, 2, 1, 2, then 1, 3, then 1, 4, because second element 4 is divisible by 1, 4 by 1 is 4, then 1, 5, then 1, 6, 1, 6, okay. Now 2, so 2, 2, first one is 2, 2, 2 by 2 is 1, it is divisible, okay. Then 2 by 3, it is divisible, 2 by 3, hello, 2 by 3,
No.
so 2 by 4, 2, 4 is okay. 2, 4 you can take, 2, 4, then 2, 6 also you can take, 2, 6, then 3, so 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 is okay. Then 3, 4 we can take, it is possible. 3, 4 not possible.
No, sir.
3, 6 we can take. 3, 6.
Yes, sir.
So take 3, 6. 3, 6. Okay. Then 4. 4, 4 first. 4, 4. 4, 4. Then 4 comma 6 is possible. 4 comma 6 was not possible. Then 6. So 6 comma 6. 6 comma 6 you can take. Then 6 comma 1 2 3 4 not possible. So this is the last 6 comma 6. So this is the relation now. R. This is hello.
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 13 elements are there. Yes. One 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 two 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6
Yes, sir.
2 2 2 4 2 6 3 3 3 6 then 4 4 6 6. Okay. Next question is here, find the domain of R. So domain we know, first elements are domain, and next one is find the range of R. So second elements are range. So write domain. Therefore domain equal to first set elements. So 1 1 2 3 4 6. 1 2 3 4 6. Okay, first set elements, or you can see the relation, first elements are domain. Now range equal to range equal to second elements. So second element also 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 not 5 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Say one thing. Hello.
Yes, sir.
1 5 we cannot take. 1 5. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, we are taking the 1 5. So 5 is not there, no.
Yes, sir.
This one we cannot take. This one cancel.
No, sir.
Yes. This one cancel. We cannot take this. 1 5. Because 5 is not given. 1 2 3 4 6 only. So 1 2 3 4 6. Range also same. 1 2 3 4 6. 1 2 3 4 6. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 6. So this is clear now. So you have to see which elements are present in the given set. Only that element we can take. So your question is 1 2 3 4 6. So 1 2 3 4 6. 5 we cannot take. 5 is not present. Okay, clear? This is number 5 answer. Okay. Now number 6.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. And write down all this. Number 6 is determine the domain and range. And R is given question. Relation R, set builder from is given. R equal to x comma x plus 5. X comma x plus 5. And x is 0 1 2 3 4 5. So serially it is present 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 and R equal to x comma x plus 5. So here R equal to, it is given R equal to x comma x plus 5, x comma x plus 5 R, x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to, such that x belongs to x elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now relation r equal to, then after relation easily we can write domain and range. So r, first to write r, therefore r equal to, in roster form, set builder form is given. So r equal to, first you take 0, first element x, so we know x, comma x plus 5, so 0 plus 5 is 5, so 0 comma 5. Then second element 1 comma 1 plus 5, that is 6. Then 2 comma 2 plus 5, 7. Then 3 comma 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 4 comma 4 plus 5, 9. Then 5 also there. So 5 comma 10. 5 plus 5, 10. So this is the relation. Okay. Now write down domain and range. This is our question. Okay. So therefore domain equal to domain set is all first elements, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 5. And now range equal to second elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10. This is the range. Okay, clear it is? 6 number.
Yes, sir.
6 number. Write down. And then we'll do number 7. Okay. 7 number question is, write the relation r equal to x comma x cube. Order pair is x comma x cube, where x is a prime number less than 10. Now prime number less than 10, which are prime number less than 10? Prime number less than 10 is, tell, what are the prime number less than 10? It is, start from 2, 1 is not prime, so 2 is prime, 2, 3, 5, 7. Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7. This one write down, written everyone. 5, 6. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So question number 7. Question number 7 is, x is a prime number less than 10. Okay, so r equal to, it is given, r equal to x comma x cube, x comma x cube, x comma x cube, such that x is a prime number less than 10, such that x is a prime number prime number, x is a prime number less than 10. Okay, this is the relation. So therefore r equal to, so prime number less than 10 equal to prime number, therefore prime number less than 10 equal to 2357. 2357. Okay, so therefore r equal to, so r equal to, so x is a prime number less than 10, the first element is 2, so 2 comma 2 cube, first one, 2 comma 2 cube,
8,
2 comma 2 cube, then second one 3 comma 3 cube, 3 comma 3 cube, then 5 comma 5 cube, next element is 5 comma 5 cube, and last element is 7, so 7 comma 7 cube. Okay, so this is r, so this equal to, calculate this equal to 2 comma 8, 2 cube is 8, then 3 comma 27, then 5 comma 125, yes, then 7 comma 343, yes, 343. So this is the answer, this is the relation. Okay, question number 7. This is question number 7 answer. Okay, clear everyone? Understand?
yes, sir.
Write down. Next, question number 8. 8. Hello? Hello, you can see now? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Question number 8. Question number 8 is, say, A is a set, its elements are x, y, z, and B is another set, elements are 1, 2. Now find the number of relations from A to B. Okay, find the number of relations from A to B. So first set, A set, 3 elements are there, x, y, z, and B set, 2 elements are there, 1, 2. So total in A cross B, 3 into 2, 6 elements. That means 6 subsets we can make. And a question is find the number of relations. So first to write number of subsets of A cross B, number of subsets of A cross B equal to 3 into 2, 3 elements and 2 elements, so 3 into 2
6.
equal to 6.
6.
6 subsets we can make. Now number of relations from A to B. Number of relations from A to B equal to, we know 2 to the power n is formula 2 to the power n, that means 2 to the power 6 number of subsets, so 2 to the power 6, this is the answer. Okay, remember this, 2 to the power n, number of subsets n, that is this question 2 to the power 6 number of relations. Okay, next question is let capital R be the relation on Z defined by R equal to A comma B, and A comma B belongs to Z, and A minus B an integer. That means Z means integer, and condition is A minus B, that means difference between first element and second element. So that is also integer. If it is, then we can take that number. Find the domain and range. Now you see, so from integer you can take any two elements. One is A, one is B. Suppose we are taking 5 and 7. Okay. So 5 also integer, 7 also integer. Now their difference, 5 minus 7, A minus B. So 5 minus 7 means minus 2. So minus 2 also integer. So it is possible we can take minus 2. Okay. So any number we can take no as A and B, any integer, positive, from positive integer, negative integer, any number you can take. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 10, minus 100, and their subtract always integer. So difference of two integer always integer. So that means domain means first set element X. So we are taking any number from Z integer, any number. So the domain of R is Z only. Z means integer. So any number you can take as a X or as a first element, that is A. So domain of R equal to Z only. This is number 9. Question number 9. So domain of R equal to Z. Z means integer, means any number we can take as a first number, that is X, or here it is A. A means X in this question. That is first set elements are A and second set elements are B, that is A comma B. Now range. So range means second set elements. So if you put from the domain any element, so their difference condition is A minus B. So A minus B will be always integer only now. A minus B. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So A minus B always integer only. So A minus B also integer. So range always integer. So therefore range of R Z only, integer only. So both are integer.
Yes, sir.
Because their difference always integer only.
Yes,
So,
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Write down these all. 7, 8, 9.